In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect privacy on Google Photos. We will keep things simple and focus on the key places where your photos can leak out or show up where you do not expect them. First, open Google Photos on your Android phone, iPhone, or iPad. You should see the Main Photos tab with your pictures in a grid by date. From here, go to Collections, then choose Locked. On some phones, the Collections tab can sit along the bottom row. On others, it may appear under Library, so glance for the word Collections on your screen. Once you have opened Locked, set it up using your phone screen lock. Google Photos uses the same PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock that you already use to unlock the device, so you are not creating a new password here. After you confirm your lock, you will see an empty locked folder area with a message that items here are hidden from your main photos. Now move sensitive photos and videos into locked folder. Pick a photo you want to hide, then use the Move to Locked folder option that appears. After the move completes, that photo disappears from your normal photos grid. A quick thing beginners miss is that items inside locked folder cannot be cast to a TV or shown in slideshows, so they stay more private on shared screens. Items in locked folder do not appear in your regular photos grid, memories, albums, or search results. That means if someone scrolls through your main library, they will not see them, and they also will not pop up in auto-generated highlights. Google also supports locked folder with cloud backup on supported devices and on the web, so your protected items can still be stored online without showing up in other parts of your account. Next, if you use partner sharing, open Google Photos again and tap your profile picture. Go into Photos settings, then Sharing, then Partner sharing. Here you will see if partner sharing is active and which account is linked. Review exactly what is being shared, such as all photos, photos of specific people, or photos from a certain date. You can stop sharing completely or adjust it so only a smaller set of photos is included. After that, be careful with shared albums and links. Before sharing an album or individual photo, check who already has access on the sharing screen. Avoid using the Anyone with the link option for sensitive photos, because anyone who gets that link can view them. When you not need to share something anymore, remove access for those people or turn off link sharing so old links no longer work. Finally, review backup settings. Go to Google Photos, tap your profile picture, then Photos Settings, then Backup. Check which Google account is being used, especially if you juggle work and personal accounts. Look at which device folders are being backed up. On Android, this might include screenshots, downloads, or messaging app images, which often contain private content. Turn off backup for folders you do not want stored in your Google Photos library. You have now tightened your privacy in Google Photos by locking sensitive items, checking partner sharing, cleaning up shared access, and controlling backups. If this helped you lock down your photos, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple privacy guides.